I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select Elastic Email. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key, go to the Elastic Email dashboard. Now click on Setting and navigate to API. Create additional API key. Give the meaningful key name as you want. You need to grant full access permission to make the API successful. Then click Create. Now copy the API key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Elastic Email. Click Next. Now save the integration. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate Elastic Email page, navigate to the audience, then navigate to the lists. Now select the list. Here is the data that came into Elastic Email through the integration. Thanks for watching.